Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Android Studio on your macOS. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open any web browser. Here I'm going to open the Chrome browser. Now, type into the address bar Android Studio download and press return or enter button on your macOS. And you have to open the first result. After that, you have to select download Android Studio with the version of it. Now scroll down and check the box that you are accepting their terms and conditions. Now choose your processor type. Since my processor type is Apple Silicon chip, so I'm choosing the first one. And there you go. Here you can see that a file is being downloaded. So I'm selecting the location to download the file and clicking on the save button. And here you can see that a file named androidstudio.dmg is being downloaded, and I'm just waiting until it's fully completed. Here you can see that the file has been downloaded completely, so I'm double clicking on it to install it. And now I have to drag the application into the applications folder to install it completely on my Mac. Here you can see that it is being installed. Just I'm waiting, and that's it. We have successfully installed the Android Studio on our macOS. So I'm double clicking on it to open it. So clicking on this open button. And that's it. This is our Android Studio. We have successfully installed Android Studio on our macOS. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.